Welcome. In today's guide, I'll show you how to hide ongoing call notifications from your Gmail lock screen. If you value privacy or simply want a cleaner look on your phone's lock screen, this easy walkthrough will help you do just that step by step. Let's get started. First, open your phone's settings. This is where you can manage how every app behaves, including Gmail. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down and tap on apps. This section lists all your installed applications. Next, find and tap on Gmail. This will open Gmail's app settings, giving you full control over its permissions and notifications. Now, tap on notifications. Here you'll see all the different notification types. Gmail can send from new emails to call notifications if your account is connected with Google Meet or similar services. From there, choose notification categories. This area lets you manage specific types of Gmail alerts individually. Scroll until you find ongoing call and tap on it. This is the setting that controls the alerts you see when a call is active through Gmail or Google Meet. Next, tap on lock screen. This determines whether or not those call notifications appear when your phone is locked. Finally, select don't show notifications. Once you choose this option, ongoing call alerts will no longer pop up on your lock screen. It's that simple, and that's it. You've successfully hidden ongoing call notifications from appearing on your Gmail lock screen. This quick adjustment keeps your phone's lock screen clean and protects your privacy, especially if others often glance at your device. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to keep your Gmail settings updated, as new versions of Android can slightly change where these options appear. Stay tuned for more simple tutorials like this one, helping you make your phone work the way you want it to.